Yo, this isn't fair, yo. Oh, you've got to be kidding me! I'm stuck! I'm stuck on a stupid wooden thing. Wait, can you bump me out?
How?
I can't move forward, I can only go backwards. I already tried.
All my snipers have
That thing's unbreakable.
I'll drive.
That was my plane. Oh no, it wasn't. Never mind. On my screen it looked like you just shot through the side of my plane and hit the thing. I can move backwards though. Yeah, give me space, man. For fuck's sake.
What?
Fuck yes, I'm out. And I'm stuck again.
I'm flying sideways.
Yeah, but I need to get past this stupid thing. Oh, fuck you. Deal with it. Oh! I'm fucking fine. I can. Yeah,
I hit
what the
you
fuck?
head on. I hit you flat.
I asked the rebels to
You
send
just
over
hit
a
the
few
backside
convoys.
of my plane and it's
No,
still
I
alive.
no, I hit you head on.
What? Really? On my screen you didn't even hit me that hard. Yeah, exactly.
Sure are a lot of lights and
Yeah,
switches
exactly.
here.
Just try not to fly sideways. It's so the
It's kind of devastating. I kind of want to get you killed as well and survive.
Son las 9 en punto. Hace sol ahorita y va a hacer mucho calor hoy por la tarde.
Hey, can you crash into my tail as well?
Cuando la lluvia viene por la noche y
Oh, what the fuck?
cuidado si viaja a las montañas y anda los fines de semana.
Yeah, it's kind of annoying. You can't see where the fucking ground is. Why is my shadow that fucking big?
Son las 9 en
Fucking hell, it's big.
Hace sol ahorita y va a hacer mucho calor hoy por la tarde.
It's goddamn huge.
Parecido por 2 o 3 días hasta el jueves.
Oh, hey, there's a convoy over here. What the fuck? It's a oh, what? This convoy's standing still. I kind of want to crash into it. Hey guys. Oh shit! Wait,
ass.
I'm gonna fly upside down. How about that? I need to make fucking altitude. I do, because I'm gonna crash into this stupid mountain. I'm a fucking pro flyer, bro. I fucking... I am not... My plane's going down soon. Oh shit!
Viaja las montañas
No.
y hasta los fines de semana.
I just landed the best landing ever. I'm gonna get up again. I'm fine.
Son las 9 en punto.
How the fuck did I get up again from that crash?
Por la tarde, ante el parecido por todo,
I fucking crashed with my nose. Oh shit!
mucho viento. Ten cuidado.
Mayday! Mayday!
Montañas y hasta los fines de semana va a ser mucho.
No!
Hasta mañana.
Plane! Don't die!
Son las 9 en punto. Hace solo
Yeah, same as mine. No, my plane died.
Va a ser parecido por 2 o 3 días hasta el jueves, cuando la lluvia viene por la noche y hace mucho viento. Ten cuidado. Viaja las montañas.
I'm not in it.
Hasta los fines de semana va a ser mucho viento. Hasta mañana.
No.
Yeah,
What?
give me a new one.
The plane's still
Put it in your
rolling
porn folder.
backwards.